Hi dear students, now I am going to talk about resonance. This is the 8th part of the chapter chemical bonding and molecular structure. Resonance is considered as one of the important concept in the organic chemistry part. Resonance. For a given molecule, some of the experimental properties cannot be explained by using single Lewis structure, but can be explained using number of possible structures. Those are called as contributing structures or resonating structures or canonical structures. Students, resonance. For a given molecule, some of the experimental properties cannot be explained by using single Lewis structure, but can be explained by using number of possible structures. Those are called as contributing structures or resonating structures or canonical structures. For example, we will take ozone molecule. So in the ozone molecule, in between two oxygens there is a double bond, and the central atom and the other oxygen, it has a single bond. Actually, O double bond length is 121 picometers. O single bond O length is 148 picometers. But experimentally both the bond lengths are equal, which is equal to 128 picometers. So that can be explained by using two structures. Those two structures are called as resonating structures. Students, now let us take the resonating structures of ozone molecule. Students, ozone molecular formula is O3. Ozone molecular formula is O3. We can write a Lewis dot structure for the ozone molecule as like this: O, two pairs of bonded electrons with the other oxygen atom. This is a central oxygen which has a one lone pair, and with this other oxygen atom it is sharing one pair of electrons, which has this terminal oxygen has a 6 electrons, 3 lone pair of electrons, and this terminal oxygen has 2 lone pair of electrons, right? So with the bonds we can write this structure as O double bond O, single bond O, central oxygen has one lone pair of electron, terminal oxygen, this oxygen has two lone pair of electrons, and this oxygen has three lone pair of electrons. Actually, O double bond O bond length is 121 picometers. O single bond O length is 148 picometers, right? This molecule ozone can be represented with by using other possible structure which is called as resonating structures. Two resonating structures are possible. Now we can write the another structure as central oxygen. Earlier there is a double bond, now here we will place a single bond. This oxygen has 3 lone pair of electrons. Earlier there is a single bond, now we are indicating this with the double bond. This terminal oxygen has 2 lone pair of electrons. O single bond O length is 148 picometers, double bond length is 121 picometers, right? Because why we are representing these structures, this ozone with the two structures is, experimentally it is observed that both the bond lengths are equal, which is equal to 128 picometers, that is in between single bond and double bond length. These two possible structures of ozone is called as resonating structures. Resonating structures. Students, but actual molecule can be represented by using single structure which is called as a resonance hybrid. So which cannot be depicted by using Lewis structure. For the resonance hybrid, Lewis structure is not possible. This is called as bond lengths are in between single bond and double bond length, which is equal to 128 picometers. Both the bonds are similar, bond lengths are which is equal to 128 picometers. This is called as resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid, which cannot be depicted by using Lewis structure. Students, one more example we will take for better understanding the resonance concept, that is benzene. Benzene molecular formula is C6H6. Benzene molecular formula is C6H6. C double bond C bond length is 134 picometers. C single bond C bond length is 154 picometers. 154 picometers. But in the benzene it is observed that all the bond lengths, CC bond lengths are equal, which is equal to 139 picometers, which can be justified by using resonating structures. Benzene has two resonating structures. Let us write the resonating structures of benzene now, right? Benzene molecular formula is C6H6, right? Carbons, we can indicate that corners of the hexagon as a carbons. It has 6 carbon atoms, and each carbon is bonded with the hydrogen atom through the single bond. Each corner indicates one carbon atom bonded with the hydrogen through the single bond, C6H6, and there is alternative double bonds are present inside the ring. Alternative double bonds, this is one possible structure, right? Another structure we can write by interchanging the double bond with the single bond. So another possible structure for the benzene we can write like this. Earlier there is a double bond, now we will write a single bond. Earlier there is a single bond, now here we will write a double bond. Here double bond, double bond. Alternative double bonds are present in the benzene ring. Okay, all 6 hydrogens are connected with the carbon through the single covalent bond. These two structures are called as resonating structures. Resonating structures, because some of the properties here, bond dissociation energy of a CC bond is equal all the CC bond dissociation energies are equal, or all the bond lengths, CC bond lengths are equal, which can be justified by writing the resonating structures, right? Two possible resonating structures are there for the benzene, but actual molecule can be represented by using single structure which cannot be depicted using Lewis structure. This is called as resonance hybrid. Delocalization of pi electrons. Later we will learn about a pi bond, right, in the VBT. Delocalization of pi bonded electrons which can be represented as a circle inside the ring. This is known as resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid. Here all the bond lengths are equal, all CC bond lengths are equal, which is equal to 139 picometers. That is in between the double bond and a single bond lengths, right? Students, now let us discuss about the characteristics of resonance. Characteristics of resonance. Characteristics of resonance. Resonance. Resonating structures are hypothetical. Resonating structures are hypothetical. No real existence. No real existence. No real existence. Actual molecule can be represented by using a single structure known as resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid, which cannot be depicted by Lewis structure. Students, generally for the resonating structures, the number of possible structures are called as resonating structures. For that we can write a Lewis dot structure, but whereas for this resonance hybrid we cannot represent this with the Lewis dot structure. Bond lengths in resonance hybrid is intermediate of bond lengths in various resonating structures. Students, in the example we have seen that, okay, in the resonating structures of benzene, C double bond C bond length is 134 picometers, C single bond C bond length is 154 picometers. But in the resonance hybrid, all the CC bond lengths are equal, which is equal to 139 picometers, which is the intermediate of bond lengths in double bond and a single bond lengths, right? Resonance hybrid is most stable most stable, least energetic than any other form of resonating structures. Hence, higher the resonance energy, more stable will be the compound. Friends, these are the characteristics of resonance. Thanks for watching.